What's good, folks? Your boy Nate coming at you once again with another video from the Urbanpreneur. I really didn't give you guys an update about the items that I sold online. So those items that you saw, the bikes, I didn't show you guys the toasters, the toaster ovens, and the microwaves. But the bikes, microwaves, toaster ovens, sold everything. Most of my sales came from Facebook Marketplace, and the extra money helped. Okay, minimum investment, made my money back plus profit. And like I said, that extra money definitely helped. The hardest part is finding the items to sell. That's the hard part. And if you got a second job, a full-time job, or you're like me, you have a business and you like to side hustle on the side, look into reselling. It's very tedious, and you gotta find the right items to sell, and you gotta be patient. I said, if you're looking to get extra income, look into reselling. That's a good way of making extra money. That extra money definitely helped me out. Like I said, went on Craigslist, found some items, look in the free section, or try to find items that you can get for cheap, resell it for a profit, put it back on Craigslist, offer up, or Facebook Marketplace, or word of mouth. If people know you got some items to sell, hey, family members, friends in your community, yeah, flip the items. Hustle. To be an entrepreneur, you have to be focused and disciplined. Focus and discipline. It's not easy. It's a lonely road. It's tedious. There's nothing sexy or exciting about the journey, but it's very rewarding. Very rewarding. And I love making money. So, update with Hop Skip Drive. I had a ride today. That went very well. I got a ride on Friday. Haven't really been doing Hop Skip Drive in a while, because I've just been busy with my coaching business and the reselling. Hopefully I can get some rides during the summer, because Hop Skip Drive operates during the summer. But guys, I gotta be honest with you, it's hard for me to get motivated of doing Hop Skip Drive sometimes when I'm making money in my coaching business and the reselling. It's hard. It's hard getting motivated to get up early in the morning, do pickups and drop off. $30, $25, which is not bad, I guess. When I got clients lined up and I'm buying and selling because I'm in control of my time. I'm in control of my time. I had an assignment to do for one of my clients, and I was able to hire my assistant, help me, and a friend of mine. You can't do that when you're in the gig economy. See, when you have your own business, your own venture, you can hire whoever you want. You're in control of that. So, you hustlers out there, you guys in the gig economy, all you guys looking to get in the venture, something of your own, something that you can control. Because if you get deactivated from that platform, if that's your bread and butter, that sucks. So, that's all I got for you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. You guys have a blessed day. I'm out.